Welcome to Atlanta Community High School's IB program. I am Jean Parlamento, one of the IB coordinators, and today I will discuss what IB is. So, what is IB? Who better to give you a description than IB themselves?
The International Baccalaureate is a global learning community of inquiring students, passionate educators, and engaged parents. Around the world, more than 4,000 schools offer a different kind of learning experience, where we all strive to be open-minded, inquiring, risk-taking, reflective, principled, and caring. 4 programs of education for 3 to 19-year-olds make up the IB Continuum, challenging learners everywhere to excel in their studies and personal growth. It starts with the Primary Years program, which sets up the IB's youngest learners to be curious and self-motivated, both in the classroom and in the world outside.
When I researched the IB, I was by far the most excited about it. And it was really the focus on, I'd say, the social emotional skills and the deeper level thinking skills that I felt there was such an emphasis on, the critical thinking, the reflection.
I think it's just maybe a better person in general. I'm open to new ideas, I'm more caring. I remember I have to do this better. It's like, let's say, I'm nervous, I have to be more of a risk taker. If I am being kind of mean, I'll say I have to be more caring.
The Middle Years program encourages learners to make practical connections between their studies and the real world.
I honestly think the most important skill we're learning right now is analyzing, because not only do you analyze poetry or a text, you also can use it to your daily lives. Like at a situation that you can't understand, you can sit and break it down into how you can deal with the situation, how you can solve it.
In the MYP, students are connecting what they are learning to real life. So it makes it more relevant for them and more meaningful.
The Diploma program develops students who are able to flourish physically, intellectually, emotionally, and ethically.
I feel like if I had gone to any other school, I wouldn't have gotten all this training, I would say, in being aware that there are people out there that are different from me. And I feel like it's really helped me to understand these differences, and I feel like after IB, I can go out into the world and be successful wherever I go.
They're going to go into the world and they're going to be successful, but that success is for others as well. You know, they want to be successful for the community, for the world. It's not about personal gain all of the time. And so they're going out with a sensitivity as to their role in the world.
The career-related program equips learners with a combination of academic, practical, and emotional skills for the modern world.
Mi experiencia en la IB ha sido muy grata para mí, pues es una manera para crecer tanto como persona y tanto profesionalmente, ya que esto va dirigido a que pueda seguir mis estudios de manera profesional y de una manera internacional, ya que esto me abre las puertas no solo de aquí recibir una educación que se base solo en el sistema de México, sino algo más internacional, algo más profesional.
We see students starting with the usual sort of teenage worries and concerns and nervousness, and coming out as really competent, confident young people, able to talk to adults, to head things up, to lead things with a massive community awareness. They do projects and services within the community. So they have a much bigger appreciation of their local community, but a global awareness as well.
The IB Continuum. Education for a better world.
So again, the IB curriculum is broken up into 4 programs: PYP, Primary Years program for kindergarten through 5th grade. MYP is the Middle Years program from 6th to 10th grade. CP is a career program for 11th and 12th graders, and DP is a diploma program from 11th to 12th grade. Through each program, we build the skills for students to become lifelong learners through the IB Learner Profile. At Atlantic, we offer 3 of these programs. All students in IB take part of the MYP curriculum. In 9th grade, students are given the background and the purpose of the program and given skills to be successful in the program. Students take courses in 8 different subject groups, expanding their knowledge of the world they live in. As part of the MYP curriculum, students are required to complete 75 hours of community service and complete a personal project, which is a year-long project students design and follow through till completion. Both requirements help students be successful in their upward level classes. At the end of 10th grade, students have the opportunity to choose which route they would like to continue their IB journey with. One choice is the diploma program. In this program, students take a full load of IB courses in 6 different subject groups. Each course has an internally assessment and an exam at the end. Additional requirements are to write an EE, which is a research paper, and complete 100 CAS hours. The other choice is the career-related program. Here, students take 2 IB courses and 2 additional accelerated courses. Students are also required to take a career class where they will learn and earn industry certifications to help jumpstart their careers. This is where a student that wants to focus on the medical industry would take their medical courses. The medical courses are a 4-year continuum. Additional requirements include personal and professional skills, language development, reflective project, and service learning. At the end of the program, students will earn an IB certificate. Let's discuss the program requirements. To apply for IB, as determined by the district, 8th grade students must have a cumulative GPA of a 3.0 from the 4th 9 weeks of 7th grade to the 2nd 9 weeks of 8th grade. We do recommend that students have at least Algebra 1 completed before high school, and any other advanced courses are beneficial. To apply, you must visit the District Choice website and fill out their application there. For transportation, you will need to visit the District Transportation website. There are a variety of benefits to IB. Why join Atlantic's IB program? We're the oldest program in the county and the first continuum school in the district. We have a lot of experience running a successful program. Due to our longevity, we have been given the opportunity to build relationships with universities so that they do seek out our students and come to meet them. We have students and teachers from a wide variety of different backgrounds that brings diversity to our program. Our instructors are not only professional licensed teachers by the state, but they are IB examiners, IB trainers, IB consultants, and IB mentors. They eat, live, and breathe IB and support the methodology of the program. Another benefit of the program is that students earn a wide range of skills through their coursework that carries over to college and their careers. Another benefit of IB is what a student can earn. First, students can earn a specialized IB diploma that can take them anywhere in the world. They can also earn a full Bright Future Scholarship when they earn the diploma. If a student unfortunately doesn't earn the diploma, they still qualify for a partial Bright Future Scholarship just for completing the IB coursework. When you compare IB to other programs out there, you can see that IB is a complete curriculum where students learn a variety of skills and they are assessed on the skills they use. They don't just take a multiple choice test. If I didn't answer all of your questions, I do have additional resources for you. If you would like more information about IB, you can visit any of the websites to see how different organizations view IB. For more information about our IB program or the choice process, you can visit our school website or the district's choice website. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you in the fall.